In this video, I will install the latest version of Ubuntu 22.04, and I will be talking about its new features and if you should upgrade. Ubuntu 22.04 is an LTS, long-term support release, so this version will be supported until 2027. The first thing you will see when you boot into Ubuntu is the new logo and wallpaper. I like the default wallpapers. I think they're better than the wallpapers in Ubuntu 21.10.
One of the new features in Ubuntu 22.04 is the new system-wide dark mode and system colors. Previously, if you turned dark mode on, dark mode would only take effect in some applications. Now, dark mode works with most applications.
Ubuntu 22.04 lets you set a theme color. This color will be used on buttons, folder icons, and more. A new screen recorder will be in Ubuntu 22.04. The screen recorder can be used with the print screen, so should you upgrade. If you're upgrading from Ubuntu 20.04, I would recommend upgrading to Ubuntu 22.04. And while Ubuntu 21.10 will still be supported for a few months, I would still recommend upgrading. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on. I make Linux and Raspberry Pi videos almost every week.